while returning back I'll show you.
Don't listen to my enemies.
Who will say this is Park Street on Independence Day? And please do subscribe to my channel. I have seen the analytics that 80% of you who watch my video haven't yet subscribed to my channel. So please do subscribe to my channel. It's my initial days in YouTube career, and steadily I am learning and trying to grow. So please do like my videos. That will help me to get motivated, and that will motivate me, and it will help me to make some good content for you all. In this pandemic I'll try to give you positivity through my videos, because there is so much negativity in social media these days. What can I say? So with my video I try to give you positivity throughout the whole video. So please do subscribe to my channel and like my video, and if you haven't watched my previous vlogs, do give a watch, please. Need to get my seatbelts on. So hello and welcome back to another new fresh vlog. Today is 15th of August and wish you all a happy Independence Day. This is the 74th year of Independence Day of India, and wish you all a happy Independence Day. It's around 5:30 in the evening. It rained the whole day on and off, and so I was not able to go out for cycling. So now I am out of my home with my car this time. I am on another machine, not on cycle. The plan for today I'll take you around to the Kolkata area and how the 15 August is being celebrated over there by hosting the flag hosting. Basically now there would be a big event because of this pandemic, but still there in the morning there had been many flag hosting, so I'll try to show you, and let's see. And it's quite warm today. You can see the humidity in the screen. I was bored at the house today, so I decided to go to the Kolkata area on my car itself and take you along with me. In Newtown it's totally not that happening. You can't feel it is a special day. Some places there had been flag hosting in the morning, but in the other areas of Newtown. But in Kolkata there are many happening places. Just where I'm going in Park Street, that place is also happening. So just wait and enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you like this video. Right now I am on the EM bypass, and here the weather looks totally perfect, and here it can't be felt like a national holiday because the public is too much on the road, the cars are too much on the road. In this pandemic also, this is pandemic time, coronavirus time, and today is a national holiday, but still there's lots more traffic. But there, relatively compared to other years, the traffic is too much on the road. This is the JW Marriott, and beside is the new ITC Royal Bengal. you can see there, this one will lighten up. Now it's not that dark, the lights of national flag are not visible, but while returning back I'll show you. I'll stop, I'll not avail the half flyover, and then I will show you the national flag, and there is the Science City. Now I am on the Mah flyover and I have to maintain the speed limit to 60 because in national holiday the rules are very strict, the traffic are very strict. There are many cops over here. You can see many cops over here. Many cops van are standing over the bridge. I made a video last Sunday and you can check my last vlog. I went cycling from Newtown to the Kolkata Moidan and showed you the different heritage sites of Kolkata near Kolkata Moidan. Do check that video if you haven't seen the video yet. The link will be in the I button. This is the Nandan and this is the Rabindra Sadan. And now the Victoria Memorial will appear from here. There on my right, that is the Victoria Memorial, and on the left, that is the Hooghly Bridge. So just came down from the AJC Post flyover, and now I'll take in a right, and let's see, I'll wait some time in the Moidan. And basically in the Independence Day or Republic Day, the Tata building is lightened up with the national flag. So let's see this time whether it is lightened up or not. So I'll be waiting in the Moidan area.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable.
Just missed the last Sunday cycling over here. It was quite a good experience to cycle over here. The atmosphere over here is quite chilling and fresh air over because of the greenery over here. So a perfect weather to cycle over this in this area.
But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back.
So right now I am in the Kolkata Moidan. Last Sunday also I came here and it took me around 1 hour, more than 1 hour to reach here by cycle. Now I am in the Kolkata Moidan, but I think this time I am unlucky because the Tata Center over there, you can see at the back, the no national flag lighting. I think it will be after few minutes, or I am not sure whether this year there will be the national flag lighting. But let's see, I'll wait for a few minutes over here. People playing football as usual. Last Sunday I also showed you the same scene over here. And there is the 42 building. So let's see, I'll wait for a few minutes over here. Yeah, there are many public over here, so many cars over here. The public is too much in this area. As I was telling before, in Independence Day, it is a national holiday and every public comes here. But it is not recommended in this pandemic. Now I am heading towards the Victoria area. Let's see, I'll show you the Victoria and ask the cops whether the Tata building will light up this year. I'm carrying my umbrella also because it is drizzling a little bit, so I don't want to get myself wet in this situation. Right now I am in front of the Great Victoria Memorial. Behind me, that is the Victoria Memorial, and here is the gate. This is the south gate, and there is another gate at the opposite side.
Give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing. I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore. I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak look out, it's about to head south. Never gonna make it.
Yes, Victoria Memorial is one of the most tourist attracted places of Kolkata, and here I have visited many times in my childhood, also in my college days, also bunking college classes I have visited 2 to 3 times. So this is one of my favorite places of Kolkata. It is not huge as the giant Taj Mahal, but still it has some beauty in itself. You just can't compare Taj Mahal with others, but still in itself it is a beauty. It's now 6:30 and it is totally dark over here, but still the buildings are not light up. But still there is one building here that there are national colors over the building. That is the building I am talking about. You can see the national color over the building. And here is the 42, still no lights. That building, there are national colors over here. So now there is no point of waiting here. I don't think this year, but later on it might light up, but still I have to go to my home. So I have shown you that building only, and hope you are liking this video. Sorry for disappointing you, but this time I won't be sure, but if I find picture in the net I'll definitely show you. And now I'll heading towards Park Street, and then I'll show you the lights of the atmosphere. I shown you while I am coming on the flyover. I'll stop there and show you the lights of national color lights or national flag lights on the atmosphere, means the atmosphere apartment. So now let's go. Building on my right, I was talking, that is light up with national flag. You can see, hope you can see that right building. And now I am on the Park Street. This is the Park Street. No lights over here, and it is less crowded compared to other days. It's justified because of this. All the shops are closed. Maximum of the shops are closed. You can see both sides of the road. Maximum of the shops are closed. Few restaurants are open, but still maximum of the shops are closed. Who will say this is Park Street on Independence Day? On the right, the Peter Cat is open, the famous food joint in Park Street, and the Starbucks is also open over here. This is totally unacceptable. In like the place in Park Street also, this is completely empty. It's a good thing that people are following the rules, are serious about this pandemic. It's a good sign, but still it is around 6:30. At night it may get more crowded compared to now, but still it's more empty. There you can see. I'll just get down off my car quickly and show you, because you are not able to see properly from here. So I took a U-turn and given a tour. So there you can see the atmosphere light up by national color. So there you can see that this is the atmosphere of the apartments, and it is lighted up with national colors. This is a lake beside it. What a beautiful view from here. Hope you all like this. See the scenery over here. Give a like for this one. This was the night view of the ITC Royal Bengal. Hope you like this. And now there is nothing much to show. Straight road to my home. Now it's 7:30 and just reached my home, and hope this video was quite exciting and quite good for you. I don't know how it was, so if you like this video, do give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and wait for now more new videos. So bye bye for now and stay safe.